So with the front bumper off, here's the front mount intercooler, the factory one. As you can see, the factory intercooler really isn't all that great. The ends of it are plastic. You got aluminum and plastic together. Once we go up and boost, that's not good. So I am going to go ahead and replace it with a new one. To remove the intercooler, you have this T25 here. There's the other one on the passenger side. Once the T25 screws have been removed, which are these, the intercooler should just drop down. Now the fan is sitting on the tab that's on the intercooler itself. So we'll loosen this transmission oil cooler. It's on the fan. Okay. So that releases that part that I dropped down. Let's see. Okay, and let's release the clip on the intercooler pipe. Oops, didn't mean to pull it out, but oh well. Gotta loosen that, and let's loosen the other clip on the other side, which is that one. Come on now. Okay. Okay. I'll go and remove this for now, since it came off. Let's see. Should just come off. All right. Intercooler pipe is still in. All right, let's. There it is, and it should. And that is the old intercooler. So, OEM upgraded arm intercooler. I got this intercooler from a fellow enthusiast. So it's got some bugs on there, so I'm just going to pick them off before I reinstall it. Before I install it, straighten out any bent fins. So, I'll straighten the fins out of it. So, I just put in power pulling. So, just straighten them out. Right there. Just clean out. Factory one should be, that's about a 4 and 3/8, almost 4.5. Okay, the new one is 5 inches. So that's the difference. It's hitting up in something up there. On Facebook Marketplace, I went to the local hardware store and picked these up. Hopefully these are the same size. So you take this and screw in the nut. So okay, and then I use a deep socket to go in here and then screw this in. The ARM intercooler kit actually comes with these hanger screws, but since I bought it off, so I need to screw in this new screw. And tighten it up. Okay, this screw might be too long. And there it is. See, that's where I had to trim off that tab to make room for that, but it fits in there real nicely. And the new intercooler is in. All right, looks like it's hitting up against that plastic shield or whatever part that is, which I'm going to have to trim that off, I think. Okay, and that's the finished product installed. ARM 5-inch intercooler.